Hello, ma'am, sir. I'm Marie Chris Padlan. I'm 43 years old. I have two kids, and boy and girl. They are 22 years old and 21 years old. My first employer is Chinese. I know how to cook Chinese food. I'm taking care of the 3 years old baby and newborn. And I know how to ironing, cleaning, washing, and taking care of the babies. My second employer is India. I'm taking care of a boy, 10 years old, and but suddenly their relocation go back to India. That's why I worked for them 1 year and 8 months. I know how to cook the basic Indian food. I hope you can choose me, ma'am, and thank you.